Hello guys, welcome to Tech. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. So today I have with me Robert, who is a trainer at the Wikipedia Ghana. He's also a facilitator. He's also the co-founder of the Fanti Wikipedia community. I'll be having a conversation with him to tell us more about the Wikipedia community, how you can join, how he joined, and how it can help you. Hello Robert.
Hello.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'll start with to know a little background about yourself, where you come from,
Okay.
your schools that you attended.
Okay. Okay. So my name is Robert Obri Ochere, and I come from the Eastern region, and I've been a Wikimedian since 2019. I'm a facilitator and also an event organizer for the Wikimedia movement. Yes. So concerning my school, I attended Nana Aframia Preparatory School, which is in the Eastern region, in Neburia Krapem, and I moved on to Private the East International School, which is in Jowolo. So from there, I went to Mampompresek SHS, and I had my upgoing model training at the British Council. So it was a scholarship from the Rockefeller Foundation to study digital marketing and other stuff. So yeah, that's my education background, and also yeah, I'm really glad to be on the show with Tech.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too, boss.
So, taking into your background,
Yeah.
like how did you wanted to become when growing up? Like, was this the passion you wanted to?
Yeah, because personally, I wanted to do things around computers. I really love computers, and so being an IT guy and something that I always dreamed of. And yeah, I think I've not changed any part in my career since then.
So, how did you get into the Wikimedia community?
Okay, so I used to, from the British Council, we taught digital marketing, content creation, and all those stuff. So I wanted to contribute to free knowledge. I'm an advocate of free knowledge. I have this perspective that knowledge should be shared to all. Everybody anywhere should have access to any information another person has. So I saw this event by Wikimedia Ghana User Group, which is an affiliate of the Wikimedia Foundation, and around in 2019. So I applied, and I went through a bit of a training. I was trained to edit Wikipedia and all those stuff. So I got involved into the movement, and I joined the Wikimedia Ghana User Group as a volunteer since then. So that was how I joined the movement.
Since 2019?
Yeah.
To my audience, he also taught me Wikipedia editing around the same year, 2019, at Koforidua when I was in the university. And he has really helped me, but I didn't use it coming out because I don't know the importance of it. But today he'll be telling us the importance of all those things. So what are some of the importance of editing Wikipedia?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce Wikipedia and how the movement goes. So Wikipedia is an online encyclopedia where editors freely edit or add content to Wikipedia, But there are a lot of how do you call it, administrators and check users on Wikipedia. Someone might think that because it's free and anyone can edit Wikipedia, it means that anyone can go and dump whatever they want there. But mind you, anything you put there without a reference, anything you put there that doesn't fit to be an encyclopedia, it will be removed. So yes, one of the importance of Wikipedia is you get to share the sum of all knowledge. For instance, I am an administrator on the Tree Wikipedia. We have various language Wikipedias assigned the English Wikipedia.
Okay.
So in Ghana, we have the Dagbani Wikipedia, which is live. We have the Ever Wikipedia. We have the Tree Wikipedia, and also we have the Fanti Wikimedia Incubator, which is still in the process of becoming a full Wikipedia.
Okay.
So as I mentioned earlier, editing Wikipedia gives you the ability to add up to the sum of all knowledge. So if there's something that people should read about, someone in Europe might not know what the food banco is, or some of the ways to prepare banco. But if you contribute these things to Wikipedia, people elsewhere can also read and understand what goes on in other parts of the world.
Okay, talking about the banco and those things. So, like for instance, the Fanti Wikipedia like this, do you write it in Fanti or you write it in English? Just bring up things that are done in the Fanti language in English or...
Okay, so just as the English Wikipedia is, that's how all other language Wikipedias are. So if you're writing about a specific topic or subject, you write it in the language that you are contributing to.
Okay.
So, for instance, the Tree Wikipedia, you contribute in the Tree dialect to the Tree Wikipedia.
Okay.
So it means that the locals can also contribute in their own language. Someone
Okay.
might be able to write and speak Tree fluently,
Okay.
but cannot speak or write English.
Okay.
So, given this, gives gives the person the opportunity to contribute in their own language. So yes, most of these languages are indigenous. Most of our indigenous language are fading away.
Okay.
So this too is a measure or is an approach to preserve all these local languages.
Okay. So talking about that, are there managers like administrators who monitor whatever is being posted on Wikipedia, like the Wikipedia fancy like this that you are talking about? Is there any administrator that watch out to maybe whatever someone posts, he or she needs to approve it before it will be being posted over there?
Yes. So, for instance, on the English Wikipedia, I have the rollback right, which means that if anyone posts anything that's vandalism, I'll be able to roll back. I have the pending changes reviewer right, we have rights. When you become an editor, all these rights are not just given, but they are given to people who are contributing and also contribute to the factor of Wikipedia, contribute to preserving Wikipedia. For instance, administrators check that everything is in place. Like you don't put junk there, you don't put spam stuffs there, So yes, we have various user rights. It's voluntary. You don't get paid for getting these rights, but you'll be able to monitor and see whatever that goes on. So for me, I am an administrator on the Tree Wikipedia. It means that anyone who contributes to the Tree Wikipedia might be able to see, and if something is put on there, which maybe someone will go and write French language on Tree Wikipedia, because it's free, people tend to vandalize it. So if someone puts French on the Tree Wikipedia, I have to go and revert the edit. I have to go and maintain that Wikipedia. So yes, there are volunteers all around the world. There are thousands and thousands of them who always monitors everything that goes on and every contribution that goes on to Wikipedia.
If you want to become an editor on Wikipedia, are there some stages that you need to pass through before you become an editor on Wikipedia?
So yes, editing Wikipedia is very simple. You just have a good internet connection, and also you have a username. You register on Wikipedia. So you can edit Wikipedia without having a username. You can edit Wikipedia free, but it's advisable to edit Wikipedia registered so that you'll be able to track your own edits, because the IP address will be captured when you don't log in with your username, and this IP might not be used by only you. Okay. So you might not be able to track the edits you are doing. Okay. So it's best to create a username, then you contribute to. So there are basic things that you need to know when editing Wikipedia. Even if you don't go the formal training, once you register, you can find instructions on your talk page. So the talk page is basically like a profile page where people will show you how to edit Wikipedia and how to contribute to the content. And also in Ghana here, we have various affiliates and other movements that support the cause. So if you see any openings, you can just apply and join any training, either in person or online. You get it.
So talking about anybody can just open an account. So for me, for instance, maybe I can speak English, I can write. So without having any knowledge like how to edit or how to go around it, can I just go and open an account? I have an account. All right. Can I just go and maybe, for instance, my YouTube channel like this, and go and write anything? Maybe I have some blogs that post about me. Can I just go and open, write anything about my YouTube channel like this, just to get popularity or something like that?
No. So one thing that Wikipedia frowns upon is how do you call it? Promotional stuffs and advertisement. So whatever you want to write about, is it notable? We have what we call the notability criteria. Is what you're about to write notable? How many people are talking about it? You get it? Do we have reliable sources to back that? No. For instance, with your YouTube channel, how many news agencies are writing about it? How many people are talking about it? Are you popular? You get it? So all these needs to be met before you can put content on Wikipedia. We have the notability criteria. We have the conflict of interest, which is that you have to write in a neutral point of view. You don't write to advertise, like in a promotional way. You get it? And also, you don't write for the company that you work for just because of conflict of interest. Okay. And one thing that Wikipedia also frowns upon is paid editing. Okay. Because Wikipedia is a source that's being used all around the world. Let me say, people who are not so notable.
Okay.
They are notable, but we don't have a lot information about them on the internet. Once someone to go and put stuffs there, they tend to pay editors to write about them. So when imagine someone has paid you to write about the person, by all means you put promotional stuff there. By all means you write the content the person wants you to write about, which is not right as an editor. So paid editing is frowned upon. You have to write from a neutral point of view. You have to check the notability criteria. Okay. So for instance, we have so many Ghanaian articles or so many Ghanaian articles are being nominated for deletion or cannot be written about. It's just because there are not too much information about them to put on there. Okay. So those are some of the criteria you have to look out to when editing Wikipedia.
That's nice. That's really nice. But how then do you get money, or how then do you get paid? Like you said, it's voluntary. So do I just be using my data and be writing about neutral things and those things? How will I get paid?
Yes. So this is a question which most of the trainers and also participants that we organize events they ask.
Okay. So how then do you get paid?
Okay, so editing Wikipedia is voluntary. You don't get paid for editing Wikipedia, but you find pride in contributing to what do you call it? The sum of all knowledge you get. Because for instance, I created the article for the first youngest female pilot in Ghana, Issy Audrey. And I find some joy anytime I see that article because I've contributed for someone else to go and read about something they don't know. Okay. So Wikipedia and the movement and some of the user groups and affiliates and movement aligned institutions run contests. So there can be photo contests where editors contribute to Wikimedia Commons, which is the photo hub of the foundation. Okay. There can be writing contests. So if there's a writing contest, you contribute to the writing of articles and you get vouchers or gifts. So editing Wikipedia is strictly voluntary. You don't get paid for editing Wikipedia.
So I would say, from what you are saying, it shouldn't be the only job you have to do.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a Wikipedia editor as a profession.
No, we don't get paid for being an editor.
Okay. This is really good. So apart from not being paid, then what are some of the benefits in joining the society?
So you get to come up with your own projects. Okay. The foundation has grants that supports individuals and also organizations who have activities that are aligned to the movement. Okay. So if you have any project that's aligned to free knowledge, you can submit the proposal and the foundation can fund you to accomplish that position. And also, because it's a network, whatever you do, by all means, you get someone who needs someone for a paid gig.
Okay.
So you get it. So you get someone who needs maybe someone can translate in Tree, or maybe I need people who translate in Tree. How would I get them? Okay, I know this group of editors, but it's a paid gig. Okay, then it's an opportunity for you. You get to meet various people. So you get to meet people all around the world because we have our Wikimedia movement. We have our we have our annual conferences and all those stuff. So aside editing and aside all those things, it also gives you the opportunity to meet new people. It also brings new opportunities into your way. So yeah.
Talking about the gigs, is that not conflict of interest or something like that? Like someone maybe wants you to do something for him and he pays you to do it. Is that not the same thing?
Okay, so the gig I was talking about isn't about contributing to Wikipedia.
Okay.
For instance, as a software developer or as a tech guy, okay, or maybe as a reviewer or maybe as an administrator on the Tree Wikipedia. Okay. I once had a gig from a company called Localization Lab. The gig was from the company, not from Wikimedia Foundation, or not from being an editor on Wikipedia. The reason why that gig came in my way was because they needed a reviewer for a toolkit that they are drafting, a Tree reviewer. Okay. And someone within the movement knows me to be maybe an administrator on the Tree Wikipedia or contributing to the Tree Wikipedia. Okay. So he directed the person to my way. So it's not a gig related to editing Wikipedia, but for a different company or for a different organization.
Oh, okay. Are there some kind of scholarships when you join the society?
No, but we have openings at the foundation, so you can work for the Wikimedia Foundation itself. So there are openings that come out. They are called for this, call for that. Maybe tech people, call for resource people. So if you're in the movement and you want to work for the foundation, if the openings are out, you can apply and work for the foundation.
Okay, that's nice. So with your workshops,
Yeah.
are they free?
Yes,
Now,
they are free.
Anyone can join.
Yes, so all our workshops are funded by the foundation, so it's free.
Okay.
Yes. And also we give we sometimes give data scholarships to editors who want to contribute.
Okay.
So if you want to contribute, you can give your data scholarship where you'll be able to contribute to.
Data scholarship. What is the
Yeah,
data scholarship?
data stipends. So some of our programs, some of our events comes with data stipends. So when you join and when you join after the event and you want to still continue to edit, we can give you the stipend for you to run. It's part of certain projects, but not all projects.
Oh, okay.
So you might join a workshop or you might join an event where they are given. You might join an event where they are not given. So
how can someone be part of your community or society?
okay, so it's very open. There are a lot of how do you call it, affiliates in Ghana. We have Open Foundation West Africa. We have Wikimedia Ghana user group, which I'm part of. We have the Dagbani Wikimedians. We have other movements as well, like the Global Open Initiative. They all support the cause of the foundation. So you can join any of them to just be part of the community and to explore.
That is on social media, right?
Yes. So on social media, Wikimedia Ghana user group. You can join Wikimedia Ghana user group. You can join OFUA. You can join any of them. But I'm part of Wikimedia Ghana user group. Okay. It doesn't make any difference. We are all one family.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You did talk about conferencing. Around which time do you organize your conference for someone to?
Okay, so we have the Wikimania, which is the annual conference where Wikimedians around the world meet. Okay. Because of the COVID and the pandemic, we weren't able to meet. We had online last year and this year, but next year it's going to be in Singapore around August, June. Okay. Just next month, which is November, we're having the Wiki Indaba. So the Wiki Indaba is for African Wikimedians. Okay. So it's going to happen in Rwanda. So if you, those who applied and got the scholarship will be able to join and have the conference there.
Do you have like one for Ghana? Like Wikipedia user group community?
Yes. So the Wikimedia Ghana user group, which I'm part of, is a community. It's an affiliate of the foundation. Okay. So Wikimedia Ghana user group represents the foundation in Ghana.
Do you also have those kind of meetups here in Ghana?
Yes, right? We do. Okay. So we have periodic meetups, periodic editathons, periodic workshops to train people on how to edit Wikipedia and contribute to other projects as well.
How has it helped you so far?
Okay, so joining the movement has really shaped me in so many ways because I tend to organize workshops, which I was very shy to organize workshops. I was the shy type. By now I can organize workshops around. You have confidence to bring up projects that you want to bring up. You have the free will to edit, to add your knowledge to Wikipedia. So anytime I see any article that I created, I'm so proud of because I've been able to share my knowledge on there as well.
This is a personal question. Let me ask.
Sure.
Is that the only thing you do?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Put out your social media handles for people who want to follow you too.
Sure. So yes, my name is Robert. I'm a digital strategist. Yeah, I do freelance for communication consultancy and all those stuff as well. So it's Robert Jamal 12 on my Wikipedia. That's my Wikipedia username. On Facebook is Robert Anakwami Obri. On Instagram is Robert Jamal _1. Yes, and on LinkedIn is Robert Obri. So yes, you can find me on all these handles. So if you want to join the community, you can go on Telegram, Wikimedia Ghana user group, or you can send an email to community@wmgh.org, and you can find us on Facebook as well, Wikimedia Ghana user group. It's free. You can join anytime, and you can also explore the various ways to contribute to Wikipedia. So yeah.
Thank you for passing through.
Thank you so much as well.
Okay, guys, this has been another amazing episode. If you want to join the Wikipedia user group, you now know what they do, some of the benefits you can get as being part of the community. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the notification icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Peace.
Thank you.